Hey, started out with a dream, turned it into a thing, turned it into a goal. Po' boys diesel, look where we are. Yeah. We ready to fight, we ready to roll. Fighting the cancer, fight for the goals. Cold that we roll, for Mama Po. Shout out to Missy, shout out Baby Po. Can't do it alone, it's all part of the craft. If you viewing at home, then you part of the family. Yeah, it's Po' boys, diesel, BWB. The dragon drive through black smoke and DIY for cold.
Let's get started and let the coal roll.
Hey guys, you made it! Finally! I was waiting for y'all. Hey, I don't think I need to say much, but yeah, we got our Fass system. That's right. The folks over at Fass, they're actually one of our sponsors, and yeah, we got the hookup for our 240 gallon per hour pump, and this one's going onto Pegasus. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, see what all comes in it, let you guys know about it. Make sure you guys visit them at fastride.com. They're always available there. During the day you could message them. They're always willing to help you out. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. See what we got here. I'm so excited. There you go. Set the plate down here. Wow, once again, very, very good packaging. Like that. Looky here, looky here. Right. So we got the installation harness. It already comes with the relay right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Comes with a relay. Comes with a relay cover that protects it also from the elements, which is great. And all the plugs that go directly onto your Fass system. And over here it also has a fuse link, which is great. That means it's basically a complete system. That is awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Yes, we got some of the push lock hose on that favorite blue from Fass, and we all have learned to love. Little extra piece here, and what have we here? All right, so we got a bunch of fittings and stuff. Oh, let's open it up here. This one we reseal since it's kind of like a zip type of bag. Right. We got some isolation pads. That way we don't have rubbing whenever you install the system. And it has some bushings as spacers, I believe. But we're going to read the instructions to make sure that we do the proper installation. Look at this! They even give you the zip ties. That's awesome. Even the zip ties. These guys have thought of it all, I'm telling you. They've made these installations a million times, so they know for a fact exactly what you're going to need. So when you order your Fass system, they're going to send you basically the most key elements that you're going to need for your install. Let's see what else we got here. We got some terminal plugs. We got some super lube with the O-rings. Fusible link. Very awesome. Right here. Ah, look at here. This here is part of the draw straw. So if you're gonna continue using, like for example, your stock lines or whatever, and don't have a sump, you install this over the top of your tank, and you cut it to length. You know, leaving a certain amount of space that they indicate in the instructions. So that way it always picks up from the bottom and makes sure that you get the proper fuel onto your Fass system and then to your engine. It seems like these are either 8 AN or 10 AN fittings. That's awesome. Like I said, it's got the little draw straw on it. Very cool. And yeah, there we go. Got a ton of mounting hardware right over here. That's awesome. And my oh my, we got all the fittings that you're gonna need for the install. That's for sure. All sorts of push locks. Even if you're retaining the factory lines, if you're gonna be like wanting to use those push connect, easy release type fittings that come installed on your, let's say, Super Duty from stock. I guess you use these right here to connect onto those. That's awesome. But it also has your barbed fittings that go throughout the whole system, or like I said, if you're going to use the blue AN push lock lines, these are all push lock fittings. That is awesome. Everything included. I'm telling you, this is the most complete system that I've seen from any other company, that's for sure. Let's get all this back in there. I like to keep my stuff in the same place that it comes. That way I don't lose stuff. Especially with as many things as we got going on here while doing 3 builds at once. Or not at once, but definitely we're trying to at least gather all the stuff for it, for all 3. I'm happy about these. They did send us some extra ones so we could put on our trucks, our race trucks, and represent the company. Obviously, we are sponsored now by them, and we're very, very happy. And we feel like you know, they've always been there for us. For years, we've been, you know, commenting with them. If you look back in my older videos, I believe in 2018 or so, I met them over at Diesels in the Swamp, and I mean, ever since then, I've been, you know, part of communicating with them anyway, and it has flourished into a sponsorship throughout the years, and I'm very, very excited, very happy, and thankful for everything they've done for us, including this right here, which is going to be an amazing addition for our build. Not only an addition, a necessity, and I'll tell you why I say it's a necessity in a second here. Now let's go down to the second stage. Let me set this over to the side here, guys. I don't want to make a mess. So, all right, let's see. Look at that. That's what I call awesome protection for your device, and ain't no way something's gonna get hurt with stuff like this. This is amazing. All cardboard, honeycomb. It's amazing, and it's got the cutouts to fit just right over the parts that are down here. Right, so we got, let's see, installation brackets. Ooh, nice heavy steel. I'm gonna say these are about a 1/4 inch steel. Very nice. All that, all them goodies, and makes your Fass installation fast. Makes it very fast to put together and get everything set up before you know it. Now the system, you guys will see, comes already included with the filters that you'll need to install your system. These are the XWS 302 and the PF 301. As you guys have heard perhaps before, Fass fuel system is the only fuel system, to be honest, out there that actually removes 99% of the water in your fuel, and it also removes the air. So that helps maintain your injectors happy, no cavitation going on, which is a very, very big issue that a lot of us diesel guys have gone through in the past. It extends the life of your injectors, it really does. And they got a slew of other products as well. Now they just came out with the EGR filter, which is a great addition for you guys who, you know, still have to comply with the EGR thing. that filter will actually extend the life of your EGR system for almost 7 times. So it's like, I believe Brad had said 6 point something times more longer life. So yeah, same thing with this. You use a Fass system with their filters, it's gonna possibly extend the life of your injectors 3-fold. Okay, so it's gonna last about 3 times longer. That's what they're starting to claim. I believe it, because they do a whole lot of testing, a lot of R&D, and you know what? They've never failed, their customers. Why would they start now? They do great products, and I'm so happy that we got this over here with us. Let me set this over here. I don't want to drop stuff here. Make sure it's all balanced. And the main unit. Yes, sir. What's that meme say? Would you look at it? I mean, would you look at this? Would you just look at it? It's amazing. Look at that bad boy. Whew. Oh man, this is just impressive. Look at that. EC plugs. Everything is going to snap right in place. It's awesome. Internally regulated, so you don't have to run a separate fuel regulator. It's a big plus. And the return also goes right through it as well, taking it back to the tank. So you are basically set with a system like this. And like I mentioned, this is a 240 gallon per hour. It is rated up to 1200 horsepower on a 7.3. And let me tell you, that should be just about enough. However, they did say that, sometimes if you do certain other things on other items, you might be able to get away with a little bit more. There's some people running some way higher horsepower. As a matter of fact, my friend Brian Gray, God rest his soul, he also used to use this very same unit, and you guys know how he was doing on the track. The only 7.3 to run a 7-second pass on the quarter, and quickest 7.3 on Huey injection, powered by Fass also. So this is the unit that we want. This is definitely what we're going to be putting on, and I'm really looking forward to continue doing not only business with Fass, but representing their company with all my might, because frankly I trust their product, I believe in their business plan, and I'm a big fan. What can I tell you? I'm a big fan when it comes to their products. So if you guys need fueling, I don't care if you have a Duramax, if you have a Cummins, if you have a Power Stroke, dude, this is the way to go. Get yourself a Fass. Check out their website. Like I said, fassride.com. You're gonna find all sorts of applications. They have drop-in applications, that makes it like super easy to install, especially for the newer vehicles. Just give them a look. This is the best fuel system that money can buy when it comes to our diesels. And also they have them for our big rigs. If you're a over-the-road driver or even local, whatever, you got one of those big Peterbilts or whatever you have, they have a bump for you too. This has helped many in the trucking industry. Let me set this down here real quick. I don't want to drop it. It has helped, Fass System has helped many people in the trucking industry, including owner-operators and the companies that, are brokers or whatever, because it's saving them on fuel. It's also saving by extending the life of their injectors. And it's just, avoiding a whole lot of other troubles that usually come due to the air in the fuel or the water in the fuel, particulate matters. Fass and their filter systems are top notch. And like I said, 2 microns on the water separation, removing 99% of the water from your fuel. And you guys know very well, if you've had diesel for a while at least, you know that there is a lot of condensation, and water always ends up in our diesel tanks. So why feed that through your injector? Especially the newer injectors, they're very finicky. So you want to make sure you keep all that water away from it. And then you have the particulate matter filter, which also removes a whole bunch of the particulates, removes the air, avoiding the cavitation, which starts eating and eroding at your nozzle tips, creating that torch effect when it comes to the fueling, and that causes some big damage on your engine. So a big thank you, huge thank you to everybody over at Fass. I really appreciate everything you guys have done for us. Thank you for the sponsorship. I really appreciate that too. And we look forward to continue doing a lot more business and working together in shows, whatever we need to do. Because, like I said, I really truly believe in your products. I really truly believe that you have the best product. And I'm going to continue doing my best to represent your company wherever I go. Even here, as you guys can see. They also sent me some swag, as you guys can see my little hat here, looking nice and spiffy. I got a t-shirt from them, which is very appropriate if you ask me, especially being here in Florida. Kind of reminds me of that Miami Vice vibe, the colors. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. And it does say "In God We Trust," which, firm believer. And it's got the US flag over on this side. Sorry, I'm not a great model, but at least I'm trying here, guys. So a big thank you to them, and like I said, also a big thank you to all the fans, all the viewers, all the followers of our channel, because if it wasn't for all of you put together, there's no way we would have gotten here. And lately, like I said, it's a slew of blessings that have been coming in, and I'm almost speechless. But hey, the Lord knows what He does. That's all I could say, because in Him I trust all the time. So thank you for coming and checking out this quick unboxing. I love y'all. God bless you, and let the coal roll.
Paul Boys, Diesel, BWB, the Dragon Drive, Tools, Black Smoke.